So the Epever stuff comes with an app, and you can go into different settings on the app. So we're just looking at the inverter now, and you can actually set the inverter to disconnect at a low voltage. So at the moment we got it to disconnect at 21.6 volts. Now this is probably a bit low for anything you really want to be doing, so we're going to just change this to 22.5. And then to reconnect when the battery's more charged up at 25 volts. So we can actually look at all the real-time data as well. So at the moment it looks like our battery bank is at 28.16 volts, and with just the fridge running it's only drawing looks like 73 watts.